How to change password to letters on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here. You will then be brought to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Now, scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here again. On this page, before entering your new passcode, tap on Passcode options below. Tap on Custom alphanumeric code to allow letters in your passcode. Type a new passcode using letters and numbers, then tap on the tick icon at the top right to proceed. Your iPhone will now accept a passcode that includes letters when unlocking. Following these steps, you can easily change password to letters on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.